Hello, family. Welcome to another session of Maths Fanatics 24/7. So here we're going to be looking at number patterns. Okay. So they say in the diagram below, the first outer triangle is an equilateral triangle with sides of 8 centimeters. Okay. So which means the total length here is 8, right? The total length there will be 8. And the total length here will also be 8. Why? Because they said this is what? An equilateral triangle. Awesome. And then they say a second triangle is drawn within this triangle by joining the midpoints. So what they're telling us is this side must be equal to that one because this is the midpoint. This is the midpoint, that is the midpoint. So this must be equal to that one, equals to that one, equals to that one. And then if the total length is 8, so it means I'm going to have 4, 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 right? So now let's get the length of this one. I'll show you something. So this is 60, right? Because this is equilateral triangle, right? The big one. And then, but here I have an isosceles triangle. So this must be 60 as well, right? So which means the whole length here must be 4 then, because this triangle will be equilateral. Similarly, this will be 4 and that will be 4. Right. So the total length are 4 here, 4, 4, 4. And then they say the size of the first triangle. Okay, this process is continued without end. Okay. So which means inside here I'm going to have 2, 2, 2. Then I'm going to have 1, 1, 1. Then I'm going to have 0.5, 0.5, and 0.5. Sharp. Now let's read the question. What is the perimeter of the fourth triangle? Okay. Perimeter means we just have to add all the sides together. And I'm going to try to create a pattern here. So for the outer triangle, which is the first triangle, 8 plus 8 plus 8 gives me 24, right? Then the second one is 4 plus 4 plus 4 gives me 12, right? The third one is 2 plus 2 plus 2, which gives me 6. Then I can easily see that here I'm dividing by 2 all the time, which means the fourth one will be 3. You can get it from the pattern, or you can even get it from what here, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So the perimeter of the fourth triangle is 3 units. Ne? Awesome. Oh, 3 centimeters in this case, because they gave us there. Ne? So it's going to be 3 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the nth triangle? Okay, here they are just looking for the formula of the nth term, ne? Tn, or the general term. So remember, I said I'm dividing by this by 2 to get that, right? I'm dividing 12 by 2 to get 6. I'm dividing that by 2 to get that. So basically, this is a geometric number pattern. So Tn equals to A R n minus 1. A is the first term. The first position is your A. Ne? Then remember R, we get it by T2 over T1, which is 12 over 24, which is half, right? Or you can say T4 over T3 or T3 over T2. It doesn't matter which one. You'll always get the same answer. So my first term, it's A, which is 24. So I put it there. My R, it's half. Then N minus 1. And then that's finito about this question. Please don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.